Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a quick tutorial. It's about how I got my words straight on the Procreate app. The new update for the Procreate app comes with grids integrated, so you can actually create your own size and everything. So this is my setup right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw 4 dots, and that's the measurement for my uppercase letters. And I'm going to draw 2 dots, the green ones. Those are going to be the measurements or the guides for my lowercase letters. So for me, this is a super easy way, and just to have in mind what's the height of my what is going to be the height of my letters, and helps me a lot to have that balance between all the letters of my words. So you can also draw lines, so you can create your grid and then just go over and draw 3 lines, like your base line, the X line, as you can see here. So that you already know that the line in the middle is going to be the top of your lowercase letters. But it's pretty much the same with the dots, but the only thing that the line just helps you, it's like the traditional way to learn. So here I show you 2 examples with the dots and with the lines. You can choose the method that you prefer, the one that you think that is gonna help you the most to get straight letters and have that balance over your words. So remember that it's going to depend also on the style of your letters. If you want super straight, regular letters, or if you want to go out of the norm and just exaggerate a little bit with the letters, or that's totally up to you. So let's check it out how it's going to work with a whole word. The word that I choose right now for this is alphabet. So this is a little bit more of details, and as a reminder that we use or the, 4 dots or 4 lines of squares of our grid for the uppercase letters and only 2 for the lowercase letters. I suggest to you, if you want to create even more balance, you can actually draw them with 4 lines. So as you can see, the difference between in the first alphabet I just did, I think, two and a half, and then the other one I did 4, and I actually kind of like more the last one where I did 4, so that way you have that look, that balance. Give a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe.